Hello and welcome to another edition of Medhurst Maths with me, your most awesome math teacher, Mr. Medhurst. Now today, I'm going to take things back to basics, okay? I know a lot of my videos have been aimed at kind of the high level maths. Today we're going to take it right back to some basic algebra, okay? So today I'm going to look at simplifying expressions, also known as collecting like terms, okay? So, nice and simple, this is going to be a quick one for you. So, when you're collecting like terms, simplifying expressions, okay, what you do is you look for terms in your expressions that have the same letters in, okay? It's all to do with algebra. You look for things that have the same algebraic terms. So, here I've got a nice simple one to start with. All of these have got x's in. Lovely jubbly, you like it. It's nice and easy. So, we start, we've got a 3x, a 2x, a 6x and a 4x, okay? Now, when you're doing this, you add the numbers in front of your letters, okay? When we're adding and subtracting, we add the numbers in front of the letters. So, we're going to start with, we've got 2x and 3x, okay? So these two give us 5x, okay? 2 add 3, it's 5, we've got our x's, okay? Imagine you've got 3 lots of something, we don't know what this x is, we've got another 2 lots of something, of the same thing, okay? We put those together, we've got 5 lots of this thing that we don't know what it is, okay? Now we've got this 5x, we're adding on another lots of 6x, okay? So we've taken our 5 lots of something, we've got another 6 lots of it, we're putting that on top, okay? So now this bit would give us 11x, okay? And now we've taken this big pile of 11 thing x's that we've got, okay? And we take 4 of these away, okay? We get rid of 4 of them because we're subtracting 4. So now we do 11, subtract 4x, okay? Which gives us a 7x, okay? Nice and simple, easiest one, lovely jubbly, interactive board, can't throw this away instead. I don't know where they're coming from, okay? So, now, we got this one, okay? 2x plus 3y minus 6x plus 10y, okay? Now, when we're working with algebra, you can only add the same letters together, okay? We can't add x's to y's, they are two different things, okay? Imagine we've got our big pile of things, okay? We've got our x's and our y's. They are two completely separate things. We can't put them together to make one, okay? So, we start with our x and our y's, okay? We start by collecting all our x's together and all of our y's together, okay? So I'm going to rewrite this, okay? So we're going to start by putting all of our x's and all of our y's in the same place. So we start with a 3y, and we add on our 10y, okay? We get rid of this bit, and we get rid of this bit, okay? And now we've got a plus 2x and a minus 6x, okay? So now I've got this bit and this bit. They're all written down, I like it, okay? So now, just like we've done up there, we take our y's, we put them together. We've got 3 lots of this y, we put another 10 lots on top, that gives us 13 lots of our y, okay? Now here we've got 2 lots of x, okay, and we're taking off 6 lots of x, okay? So we are going to owe someone 4 lots of x, okay? And that's the way of thinking about it if you're thinking of objects, okay? But these don't represent objects, they represent some number that we don't know. So the way we do it is just like before, we take away the numbers in front of the x's. So we've got a 2, we take away a 6, okay? So 2 subtract 6, it's going to be minus 4x, okay? And there, we've got our answer, okay? 13y subtract 4x. Now, where it gets slightly more complicated is where you get powers, okay? So here we've got x squareds, okay? And there we've got nothing, okay? So what we do with this, okay, is you treat your x squareds and your x's as 2 separate things again, okay? They are not the same. So we look at our x squareds, okay? We've got a 3x squared and a minus 2x squared, okay? So 3x squared subtract 2x squared is a 1x squared, and then we've got a 6x add a 14x, okay, gives us a plus 20x. And again, there is our final answer. Almost done, lovely jubbly, nice and quick. I like it that way, okay? So, now we've got 3x squared plus 2xy plus 3y squared plus 2yx, okay? Now, to start with, this looks like we haven't got anything the same, okay? But, we've got an xy there and a yx there. When you're working with algebra, if you've got 2 letters next to each other, it doesn't matter which way around they are, okay? So I could have these 2 bits going this way around, or you could have them this way around, okay? It's still the same thing, okay? So the 2yx and the 2xy are actually the same, okay? So, the yx's and the xy's are the same. So we can't do anything with our 3x squared. Can't do nothing with that, that stays the same. The Can't do anything with our 3y squared. That stays the same. But we've got 2xy and 2yx, which are the same thing, okay? So 2xy plus 2yx, okay, is going to be 4 lots of xy or 4 lots of yx. It doesn't matter, okay? That pen done. Can't throw that one away. Interactive. Throw this one away. Honestly, my pockets are like black holes. Magic, okay? That is simplifying expressions, collecting like terms. You know you like it, so do I. Sleep well. Good night.